everyone, how are you all doing? If you're watching this video, that means you really want to improve your English. And maybe you are one of those people who understand English very well, but when it comes to speaking, लगता है जैसे वर्सी बोल गए. It happens, right? Don't worry, ऐसा सबके साथ होता है. Today, I just wanted to sit down and share something personal with you. आज Sunday है, so I thought why not talk to you a little about my real experience, because you know what? English learning isn't just about grammar, it's about patience, practice and believing in yourself. When I started learning English, I had no idea where to begin. So I thought maybe English मेरे लिए नहीं है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल. The same word I used just a few minutes ago in my mind. There were times when I wanted to speak something in English, but my mind just went blank. It felt like I knew everything, but I couldn't say a single word. And honestly, that feeling, it hurts. You start losing confidence, you start avoiding conversations, and slowly you stop trying. Because if I keep waiting to become perfect, I'll never start. So I started small, really small. I talk to myself in English while cooking, while walking, even while folding clothes. Sometimes I said just one line, I'm doing good today. Next day, maybe 2 lines, and slowly it became my habit. At first, it felt like strange, but after some time, धीरे-धीरे, I really enjoying it. Everyone dreams of speaking fluent English, but you know what? Dreams don't work unless you do. Every single person wants to speak English confidently, like those people you see on YouTube, in offices, in interviews, but very few actually make it happen. Do you know why? Most people quit too early. They think I can't do it. They think it's too hard. They think I'm not good enough. But listen to me, your English is not weak. You are just in the process of becoming strong. And remember, the ones who win are not the smartest. They are the ones who never stop trying. Let's talk honestly. Fluency doesn't come in 1 week. It's not a magic. It's not a trick. It's not a 7-day formula. Fluency is a habit. It builds when you speak every day, listen every day, learn every day. Going to the gym, you can't get fit by working out once. You need consistency, right? In the same way, your English muscles grow when you speak every day, when you practice daily. You read something, boom, 1 step forward. You speak some few sentences, another step forward. You listen to an English podcast, another step forward. Even your mistakes are your progress. Every time you mess up, you learn something new. That's how you grow. Let's talk honestly. The biggest fear of every English learner, fear of making mistake, the fear of being judged, the fear of people laughing at you. No one in this world became fluent by staying silent. No one learned English by being scared. You have got to break that fear. You have got to open your mouth, even if your grammar isn't perfect. Because confidence doesn't come after fluency. Confidence comes before fluency. Start talking, start expressing, start believing that your voice matters. You may not realize it, but you are already improving. Think about where you were a few months ago. You couldn't even understand simple English, right? And now you are here learning, listening, understanding more and more. That's growth, that's progress, that's something to be proud of. Comparing yourself with others. Your journey is unique. You are not behind, you are on your way. Let me tell you a secret. The most powerful weapon in your journey is consistency. If you practice English just 15 minutes a day, every single day, that's more powerful than studying 5 hours once a week. Because consistency builds habits and habits build success. Read 1 article, watch 1 English video, speak 1 paragraph, write 1 page. 1 small step every day. That's all it takes to change your life. Do you know why I'm so passionate of this language? Because English can truly change your life. English opens doors. English can connect you with people around the world. English gives you confidence in interviews, in jobs, in studies, and in social life. English is not just a language, it's a bridge between your dreams and your success. But remember, the bridge is useless unless you walk on it. So walk step by step, day by day. Fluent people are not born smart. They are born with one thing, discipline. They practice when others sleep. They study when others scroll on their phone. They speak when they are nervous. That's what makes them fluent. So next time you feel lazy, remind yourself, someone out there is practicing while I'm giving up. So next time you feel lazy, remind yourself, someone out there is practicing while I am giving up. They are the ones who became fluent and successful. Stop memorizing robotic sentences. Start expressing your heart. English is not about grammar, it's about communication, it's about your emotions, your dreams. Stop memorizing robotic sentences. Start expressing your heart. When you speak, English is not about grammar, it's about communication, it's about sharing your thoughts, emotions, and dreams. When you speak from your heart, people will listen you, even if your grammar isn't perfect. So speak your truth, speak your passion, speak your dreams in English. Right now, make a promise to yourself. Say it out loud. I will not give up. I will practice daily. I will become fluent. I will speak English confidently. You have everything inside you to make it happen. You just need consistency, effort, and believe in yourself. My dear learners, listen carefully. You are not just learning English, you are building a new version of yourself. More expressive, more powerful. And when you speak fluent English, you just won't speak better, you will live better. So never stop learning, never stop speaking, never stop believing in yourself. You are unstoppable, you are powerful, and your journey is just beginning. If this message touched your heart, even if you felt a little spark of motivation inside you, so don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends who are learning English. Let's build a community of learner, dreamer, and fighter. Comment below, I will become fluent. Let me hear your voice, your energy, your confidence, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.